We're going to make something that most people like. I've never made it, and actually I've never had it. You can serve it with, let me show you what it is. I paid $1.79 at the Christmas tree shop for this name brand of vegetable soup or mixed dip. Well, I was thinking Super Bowl. I wanted to give it a run and try it myself. And you get 2 packets, which sounds interesting. Lipton Kosher Recipe Secrets. They have a vegetable potato salad, seasoned sesame glazed chicken, and sweet and savory biscuits. So there's a few recipes on these packages. Now what you need is 1 packet of this, 2 packages of cream cheese, and 2 tablespoons of milk. So we're going to get started here. You can put this on crackers, you can put it on bagels, you can put it, dip vegetables in it, all kinds of vegetables. You can put it on pita bread. You can put it on anything that you like as a spread. Now, I love bagels, so I'm sure this is gonna taste good on bagels, but at the moment I don't have any. This also has to be refrigerated for 2 hours after you make it. So, let me bring you down. Oh, it smells divine. Can you see in there? Look at that. Oh my. Let me bring you down. I just gave Maggie May a greenie, which is a dental for her teeth, so she should be pretty quiet. Okay, here we go. There. Bring that down a little. I have a big bowl here because I wanted to make sure I could work it well. I've got my Lehman's butter, the paddle, and I also got this one from Jewel's Kitchen. So I'm not sure which paddle I'm going to use. Let's put this in here, the cream cheese. Open it up. Oh, hope everybody's doing well. I know the Super Bowl is going to be different for a lot of people for gatherings. Our group is very small. My group is very small. I see my parents. I see my kids at a distance and my grandkids at a distance, and that's it. I'm not even visiting my friend Penny right now because Penny is very busy and is around a lot of people, and I'm just trying to be careful, especially with me being around my parents. They're in their 80s. My dad will be 86 this May, and my mom will be 84 in June. So, gotta be careful. And me, I'm no young chicken, so we all gotta be careful out there in this crazy world. There. And you wanna make sure your cream cheese is nice and warm as well. Just like that. And this was warm. This has been sitting out for about an hour, hour and a half maybe. I don't know, I've been playing with Maggie, so I lost my time. Yes, Maggie, I know. I don't know what you did with your bone, Mag. Okay, just gonna paddle it up just a little bit here. I'm gonna pour the little bit of the milk in. And a little bit of the vegetable mix in. Oh, look at that. Oh, let alone the smell. Look at that right there. Yum. Yes, Maggie, we all can hear you. Might take 2 to work this. I'm gonna work it in, just like that. I hope everybody's doing well. And do you have any plans for the Super Bowl? We don't usually. Ray's not a big sports fan. Me, I love sports. My kids always played sports in high school. My son was the coach his senior year, basketball coach for his team, and now he coaches the girls' high school basketball team. And my other son, he's into boxing. He likes all sports too, but my youngest son is into boxing, loves it. He doesn't box, he's a sideline coach, and he helps with all sorts of things at the gym and travels and also works elsewhere. But his main hobby right now is boxing. Look how nice this is. And I'm gonna refrigerate this. I'm putting it in a smaller bowl. Wow. You would not believe the amazing smell this is right now. It smells so, so good. Okay, guys, I'll bring you back either later tonight because it's late afternoon, or I'll bring you back tomorrow and it will be nice and chilled in the refrigerator. Oh, wish you could smell it. Look at that. Oh, it's making the house smell good and it's making me hungry. I'll see you back. Okay, I'm back the next day in the afternoon, and we have got the vegetable dip mix already done, and it smells amazing. And this is Lipton vegetable recipe soup and dip mix. And you get 2 pouches in here. And I'm gonna bring you down and show you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please give me thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, share out my videos. I'd greatly appreciate it. God bless, and I hope you enjoy the Super Bowl. I'm going to use these nacho chips right here to try it. And I'm gonna take the plastic off. Oh my, I'm just going to mix it. Should have let it set out a little bit because the cream cheese got a little stiff, but look at that. Oh, oh, oh. I'm only trying a little bit because I'm getting to go out for dinner. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Let me get a little spoon. Yeah, so I suggest that you let this set out a little bit before you serve it to soften it up, or when it sits out, you know how the gals and guys are gonna eat it anyways. Look at that. All that got dehydrated. Gonna take my chip. Whoops. It's a little hard here, sorry about that. Now bring it back up. Hi, my name's Brenda and we're gonna take a test. Oh yeah. Thumbs up, another A+. That is very good. So when I come back from dinner, I'm gonna stop and get some bagels. And I've got carrots and celery in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna have a good dip. Maybe Mr. R will have a little bit, but I doubt it. But if he does, it sure will taste good. Okay, everybody, thank you for coming in and thank you for all the support. And enjoy the Super Bowl. We'll see you tomorrow. You never know what's gonna be on my videos. Bye now.